you son of a bitch. I figured out how you get the music in the background.
What do you mean?
You just have it playing.
What?
Is that Counter-Strike music?
Yeah, this is my music pack that I bought years ago.
You can just have it playing on top and then it records into the...
Well, I have
Oh! Oh, okay. I've never heard that before. I thought you physically had music on your desktop just going.
No. That was the music kit I bought, like, when I first started playing.
What do you mean?
Do any of you have mics? I don't care. Fuck all you.
My fucking God. You're a fucking savage at this point.
Don't worry if I start playing better randomly. It's alright.
What do you mean? Just start playing better. Okay. I'm too scared. I was gonna say that now that we flopped, you can flirt with her, but I feel like that's gonna go the wrong direction.
Yeah, I will.
Like, I'm going towards the bedroom and you just turn into fucking bipolar. Never mind. It's fine.
What are you doing? Now I'm never gonna be able...
Do what now?
I don't know how to take that off.
Oh, wait. You won't need to take it off. Do you use your scroll wheel for guns?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Okay, well, I just fixed your problem. Are you CT?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Oh, we're CT. I thought we were T.
Why aren't you talking?
Me? I don't know how to talk.
It's Q.
Caca. Fuck off. There we go. As I get shot through the fucking... Okay. What crosshair is this, Isaac?
This is my custom crosshair that I made myself.
Then I made myself.
I'm upset you didn't die.
I got stuck on the corner.
You stood there like a full minute and it was fine.
I got lost in the sauce. I don't know what you want from me.
Good job, Yellow.
That corner came out of nowhere. What's
Watch
the acronym
this.
for AWOL meeting? You say that and die every time. Watch this. I am kind of upset you didn't die by now. Oh, here we go. You're just about to get fucking popped. Aim at the knees, Isaac.
It's alright, I know how to use this.
I'm
See?
upset you didn't die. What the fuck was that? I bet you he's a Mac user too.
Kill him. What?
Isaac, just... I'm fucking proud of
Oh
you.
my... I forgot.
What?
I forgot the mouse wheel down is jump. I was trying to go to my 5-7.
I just won you the game. You're welcome. How did you pick up that AK?
I took it from the guy I killed.
I thought you walked over it. Or does that just automatically pick up guns now? Isaac, you're a risk. Where's your crosshair, man?
It's right there.
That's not my question. Why is it at the floor?
What do you mean?
Has nobody ever told you to aim at head level? Get him, Isaac!
I mean, it just kind of...
You just kind of go. Do your own thing.
I just kind of shoot where I assume they are.
How do you use spacebar for jumping?
Because I'm human.
I don't feel human every time that I have to say I'm hacking. I feel just like...
I live in Utah and can say that's 100% untrue.
What?
Why did that work?
Isaac, you're a god! Isaac, you're a god! Isaac's officially better at Counter-Strike than I am. I figured if I master Counter-Strike on this computer when I get home, I'm just gonna be LEM again. What are you doing?
I tried to flash green.
Behind you! 360. No.
Watch this.
I thought you were good at opping now. I'm upset you didn't die. What the fuck was that? Oh, you're a god. Ask him who's green. Ops. Do it. I should have brought my DX razor.
God damn. Where's the bomb? I pressed X by mistake.
So did you like just talk shit then? Or what's your talk vine? It's cute. Oh, hello. Oh, let me get out of that so she doesn't think that I read that message. Vex with his eye. Here we go. Here we go. Back at it again. I used to be able to do the little like that and yeah. I don't want to talk about
Yeah,
it.
make sure to not press F6. That'll stop the recording.
Okay. Okay. I'm a god. God tier. Okay. Yes. Yes. This is what I needed. I can't tell if I need a higher sensitivity or small or a lower. Also, I hate your crosshair.
Well, that's the one that's worked out for me so far.
Well, that's good to hear. Oh, your mouse! Where? Bitch, where? How did he shoot so many bullets at nothing? Either my teammate's fucking skinny or something.
I don't even know, man. Why did you buy a Zeus?
I did, and I picked one up.
I'm hacking. I saw him.
He's...
What the fuck was that? What did he ask?
I can do it. I know I can.
Isaac, no! I fucking saw that coming. I thought there was gonna be 4 of them.
Take the block.
Wait a minute. Shouldn't this be your turn then? Oh shit. Let's see if I can remember this map. What? What? That is not okay. God damn it, I keep forgetting my drink.
That wasn't even an attempt, Poe.
Jake just asked. Isaac, you're a god. You've got this. Now I see how you play, how you think. You see him.
I got scared. I had to... I hit him. I know I did. That time I hit him.
Yeah, you actually did hit him, that one. I think. I saw blood.
I got scared.
Isaac. It doesn't help your mouse is doo-doo. What do you mean? I need Denny.
I keep forgetting that it's jump.
Do you want me to change it back?
No, it might be... That was just the switch.
That was your teammate. Okay. Can you just like shoot one of them in the back of the head?
Sure.
Thank you.
I'll do it when it becomes the most funniest.
Most funniest, I like it. You probably should have kicked him.
Oh my god, I'm the last one?
You're the last one alive. Complete the mission.
They're gonna jump down and kill me.
You saw him to your right, left. Yeah.
Do you know directions?
There's no little bar at the top of the fucking thing, is it? What? You're a god!
I know he's there. He's there.
We said yes this time.
I forgot.
Okay, we have to prove that guy wrong. We are playing like shit. That is a fact. Why the fuck is your mouse mad like that? What?
Turn up the DPI.
No, but I play with a low DPI, man. There we go. Yes, no. What? Isaac, you're not going to be able to learn how to b-hop on this computer.
I was never planning to, but okay.
Isaac, you're never going to learn how to aim with this crosshair on this computer.
I mean, did you not see that op kill I got?
Isaac. Isaac. I hope you know that this crosshair was not enabled when you had your op out. Fuck, man. What am I doing? Oh, you know why I'm so good at this game? I sound whore. I can't do much of that. And that's okay. He's above me. What?
That was... There's one cat, I saw him. I'm about to kill him.
Why didn't you die? It's so terrible. I died of fucking insane shots and you fucking ring a dinner bell. And the guy fucking stutters. Today, Junior. Out of all this time, I thought you just like had a soundboard. Who the hell is that?
Oh,
Who,
no.
who the hell is that? I'm
Poe, did you just give up?
Poe, you piece of shit.
What, did you just stop trying?
With the Nick Kev, you aim at the ground, not their fucking head.
I think what's his name was right. I think purple is hacking.
There isn't going to be a next round. Actually, let's see. There we go. There we go. That's what matters. Who? I think I got you reported. Is that a crack?
Yeah,
Isaac, what are you doing, man? That's your whole computer.
I don't know how that happened.
I'll report him too. I don't think he knows how to read. I don't think... Read?
That was a terrible, terrible match.
How do I do the thing?
What thing?